Hey guys, welcome back to DevPremier. In this video, we are going to learn about these three methods: slice, sort, and splice. So let's start with the slice method. So here we have an array of fruits, and this is the definition of the slice method. The slice method returns the selected elements in an array as a new array object. And this is the syntax: array.slice start index. So slice starts from this index and ends before this index value. Let's have an example here. We have fruits, so array.slice. So suppose we want these two items, so we have to write here starts from 0 and up to 2, so it will get 0 and 1 because it will ends before this index, second index. So we will get banana and orange, like this. If you want to print all the elements of the array, then you can write here array.length, fruits.length. So this way you will get all the elements of the array. The second method is the sort method. This is the syntax of the sort method: array.sort function a comma b, and here it will return a minus b. So this is the ascending order syntax and this is the descending order syntax, b minus a. That's the only difference. Let's have a look with an example. Here we have an array of numbers, console log points.sort, and we will pass this. So now it will return an ascending order array. Here 1, 5, 10, 25, 50 and 100. And if you want descending order, then you have to reverse this order, b minus a. So now this way you will get larger value at the 0 index and smallest value at the last index. You can also get the highest value and the lowest value. Let's put this sorted array in an variable. Now to get the highest value, we know that the first index value is the highest and the last is the lowest value. For that, this way we can get the highest value. To get the lowest value, let's print the sorted array. So we know that the last index value is the lowest value. To get the last value, we want total length minus 1 because index value starts from 0. So total length minus 1 is the last index value. So this is our lowest value here. So this is the way we can get highest and lowest value, and we can sort any array. Now try with the alphabetical order. Here we have an array, we will sort in alphabetical order. So this works also in the same way. Fruits dot sort. So this will sort this in alphabetical order. Okay, in the alphabetical order, we don't have to pass this function. It will directly sort it alphabetically. Apple, banana, mango, orange. And if you want to reverse this, then you have to use reverse function. orange, mango, banana, and apple. This way the sorting works. The next method is the splice method. This is the syntax of the splice method. Array.splice position index, how many you want to remove from the from the array, and this is the items you want to add in the array. So this is our array fruits.splice, and we want to splice this array from the second position after orange, and we don't want to remove any item, so we will put here 0, and these are the items that we want to add. Now console log fruits. So here you can see that after orange we have kiwi and lemon, and then apple and mango. So this is how splice method works. If you don't want to add these items here, you can just remove these items, and if you want to remove any number of items, then you have to print here 2 or 3. So it will so here we have 2, and number of items to remove is 2, so it will remove apple and orange from the second position and onwards. So now we have banana and orange. In the next video we will learn about higher order methods, map, filter, and reduce. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.